Alright, so far we have used the plane feature to create that offset plane here. We use planes through two lines to create this one here. We've used plane through middle. Sorry, plane normal to curve that finds middle for this one here. Notice that I'm in normal to curve right now. If I were to select this icon, watch what happens to that normal to curve. So I'll select this representing the YZ plane. So if I click on that, notice it changes it to offset plane. It's trying to take a guess at which one you probably would want to use based on what you've selected. So one of the cool things is a lot of times I don't even pick what I want to do. I just start grabbing something here and it tries to take a guess. Unfortunately, it doesn't always guess right. So let's cancel this. What I'm going to try and do is create a plane using 3 points. So I'm going to try this point here and this point here. I know this is point 2 and I know this is point 3. This was point 5 and I know this is point 6 and this is point 7. So again, I find it easier just to grab this thing out of the tree. I will try and put my cursor here and see if I can get that vertex point. I'm going to click and it did get that point. And notice it changed that to through 3 points. So I select this point over here, but see it's getting that line. Gotta wait. It's not getting out of the point. Oh my goodness, I'm just gonna come up here and find them because I know what they're called. Point 6 and that was 2 and point 3. So point 3. Oh, and point 2. I'll do point 2, point 3, and point 6. So I got points 3, 6, and 2. It doesn't matter what order. You can see it's highlighting those points. I'll select OK. And it created that plane right there. I'm going to double click it so I can grab the move command and I'm going to move it over here and select OK. One thing might look like a delusion. If I click on this and hit move and I shove it way over here, it looks like it's way far off the part now. But if I zoom down and rotate, you'll see that that plane is actually on that icon. This plane is just moving and sliding anywhere that 2D plane is that represents this face here. So I'm just going to move it here, select OK, and go to View, Isometric View. Slide this kind of towards the middle here. All right, and now slide down the tree because that was the geometrical set, was the in-work object. It created that plane 21. Now, what should I name this? How about 3 points? Okay, we've created a point using middle, bottom plane, middle plane, plane through 2 lines, an offset, and now 3 points. Let's try and create another plane in the next demo.